Hey there! If you've got a high schooler at home, this is for you. You know, maybe your teen's been complaining about some jaw pain, or maybe they're getting ready to hit the field for footy season. We're going to cover the big dental topics you need to know about during these, well, challenging years. Okay, let's just dive right in.
So, does any of this ring a bell? That kind of nagging ache at the back of their jaw, especially after a long day? Or, hey, maybe they're getting more headaches than they used to. These things are super common, but you know what? They can also be little warning signs of bigger issues that are actually pretty easy to handle if you catch them early.
All right, first up, let's tackle the big one, wisdom teeth. We kind of call these the shark ears because it can feel like there's a whole lot happening just beneath the surface, right? It's a huge milestone, and it is totally 100% normal for both you and your teen to have some worries about it. So what exactly should you be on the lookout for? Well, if your teen's got that persistent pain right at the back of their jaw, if the headaches are becoming a regular thing, or if they're having trouble opening their mouth all the way, or you actually see some swelling in their gums, yeah, that's a pretty strong signal that it's time to get things checked out.
And let's just be real for a second. The word surgery, or even just extraction, it sounds pretty scary to anyone, but especially to a teenager. It's so important that we acknowledge that fear. I mean, they're worried about the unknown, about whether it's going to hurt, the whole thing. But the reality of modern dentistry, it's so much gentler than they're probably imagining. Because the truth is, all that fear and uncertainty, it can pretty much be wiped away. It all starts with getting a really clear picture of exactly what's going on in their jaw. And from there, a dental professional can create a plan that's calm, gentle, and made just for them.
And look at this. This shows just how simple the process can be now. A lot of modern clinics have what's called an OPG machine right there on site. It gives you a full panoramic scan of the entire jaw instantly. A dentist can then see exactly what's going on, if a tooth is stuck, and map out the absolute best way forward. And for teens who are really feeling that anxiety, there are options like Happy Gas that can make the whole visit completely stress-free.
Okay, so let's keep talking about teen safety, but let's take it out of the clinic and onto the sports field. There's this myth that any mouthguard is better than no mouthguard. And honestly, that can be a pretty dangerous way to think. So the real question is your teen really protected when they run out for their game?
You know those boil and bite guards you grab from the chemist? They're often really bulky, the fit is loose, and what that all means is they give pretty poor shock absorption. A custom-fitted guard, on the other hand, it has this perfect suction fit. It's way more comfortable, they can actually breathe and yell out to their teammates, and, this is the most important part, it provides vastly superior protection from an impact.
And this number right here, this is why it matters so much. Over $5,000. That's what it could cost to fix just one broken permanent tooth. Suddenly, when you compare that to the investment in a custom-fit guard, well, the choice is pretty clear, isn't it?
Look, if your teen plays any kind of contact sport, we're talking rugby, AFL, hockey, even boxing, a custom-fitted mouthguard isn't some luxury item. It's an absolutely essential piece of their safety gear. Period.
And finally, let's talk about something that goes way beyond just physical health and safety. Let's talk about confidence. Because the high school years are tough, we all know that. And there is such a powerful, direct link between how a teen feels about their smile and their overall self-esteem. This is exactly why thinking about orthodontics isn't just about getting teeth straight. Oh no, it's about giving your teen the confidence to just smile without thinking about it, to speak up in class, and to just feel good about who they are during a really formative time in their life. And the options available today are just better than they've ever been. You've got modern clear aligners that are practically invisible, you've got the tried and true reliability of traditional braces. A full consultation can really help you and your teen figure out the perfect solution that fits their life. So, after hearing all this, you might be thinking, okay, so what do I do now? And the good news is, the next step is super simple. It's designed to be as easy and low stress as possible for busy parents like you. All you really need to do is book a teen checkup with your local dentist. You can usually just give them a call or book it online in a couple of clicks. And because we all know school schedules are crazy, a lot of clinics are open on Saturdays to make it all work. So when you really think about it, when you think about their health, their safety on the field, and their confidence during these really critical years, it all just boils down to this one question, doesn't it? Isn't all of that worth a simple conversation